Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is a fit for the 2014 and beyond Porsche Macan. This is the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. This system comprises three main components. You've got the Evo Clamp foot pack, the WingBar Evo load bars in either silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which comprises the key components that allow these parts to fit this vehicle perfectly. So let's go over some of the details of what makes up the fit kit. So here we have the metal door frame brackets. These are rubberized with a P-Bax rubber material to protect the finish of the vehicle. And then here we have the contoured rubber base pads. So these each have numbers assigned to them. Those numbers will match up with the numbers assigned on the instruction sheet. Here we have the individual foot underneath this cover here. We just pop that off. And then we've already applied a decal here to help us identify that this will be a front left position. And so we would just confirm that we are choosing the correct base pads to apply for that particular position. And then also the door frame bracket, which just clicks into place. Next component is the WingBar Evo load bars. And this is a short segment of one to show how it's constructed. It is a box beam extruded aluminum material, providing excellent strength and durability and minimum flex. You'll notice there is a track. The track is accessed by swinging open the end cap, thereby allowing certain hardware to slide in between the two pieces of rubber without having to cut the rubber, to allow for a clean integrated attachment of certain accessories such as ski carriers and bike carriers. Now when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, we'll just take off that end cap. This slot has a plastic numbered smart scale. That scale number will be also assigned to a position on the vehicle, also on the instruction sheet. To insert the foot into place, within the foot, you'll have these two tabs that you press the tab, and with that tab depressed, you can slide the foot onto the bar up against your smart scale, making sure the number is correct. Next, you'll notice there's some exposed track on the underside, and provided are rubber inserts to maintain your aerodynamics. And then you just insert your end cap back into place. And then lastly, you have a tool provided in order to tighten the fastener. So you insert the tool, and when you tighten, this tool will click, indicating when it's been fully tightened. And then next you have your cover. You do have a plastic plug that's included to hold that cover in place. Just turn that plastic plug a quarter turn. But you also have the option to replace that plug with an actual keyed lock cylinder. So this lock cylinder takes the place of the plastic plug and allows you to lock your cover plate with an actual key. Also, this is Thule's one key system, meaning that you can have all of your feet key matched to the same key, as well as other accessories that you have key matched. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2014 and beyond Porsche Macan with a bare roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details on this system. Each individual component we have linked, as well as the complete rack system pre-configured. We also have a more in-depth full installation video link in the product description as well. Thanks for watching.